Good morning, my dear students. I'm S.K. Tiwari from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. Today, I want to explain before you the lesson 24 from Civics. The heading of this lesson is Indian Constitution. What is the meaning of Constitution? Constitution is a set or series of rules through which the government of a country works or runs. Why do need a constitution, or what are the importance of a constitution? A constitution is very important in a democratic country, because in a democratic country a government is formed and it works according to constitution. Now I want to explain you the meaning of democracy. What is the meaning of democracy? A general and simple definition of democracy which is given: a democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. Another definition of democracy runs thus: democracy is a Greek word. It has been made of two words. The first part is demos and the second part is krasia. Thus, democracy is the combination of two words, demos and krasia. And now the explanation of demos and krasia. The word demos means people. The word demos means people and krasia means rule. Thus, according to the above definition, we may say this, that democracy means the rule by people. Democracy means the rule by people. And now a very popular definition has been given by Abraham Lincoln. And I want to quote here the definition which has been given by Abraham Lincoln. He gave the definition of democracy. According to him, democracy is a rule of the people, for the people and by the people. And such type of rule is known as democracy. And after that, I am going to explain about the working of the constitution. You have already read about the meaning of constitution, what is constitution, why constitution is essential, but how a constitution works. So I am going to explain about the working of the constitution. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly was held on 9 December 1946. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected the President of the Constituent Assembly. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected the President of the Constituent Assembly. A committee of 8 members was formed to draft the constitution, and for this purpose a committee was formed to draft the constitution, and there were 8 members in that assembly. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee of the constitution. Our constitution was finally signed by the members of the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. It was signed by the members of the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. But it was enforced on 26 January 1915. And that's all about the Indian Constitution. Next day I shall put my explanation before you. Goodbye.